guys, I am Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. So we are in such scene that all the shops are closed and artists are not able to buy any kind of art supplies. So I am back with a new DIY for you guys to make this 3D liner. So this is an art supply which you can use it on cardboard, on glass, on wood or anything you want except cloth. So let's make this and see how it works. But let me tell you that painting with this 3D liners is really kind of fun thing, and I am going to tell you that how you can make it at home with some materials that are easily available at your home in quarantine. So make sure to watch the video till the end and see how it works and how to make it. So now let's jump into video. So to make this cones you will need simple a book cover, that is you will find some transparent book covers. If you don't have, you can also use any kind of plastic wrapping to make some henna cones type cone. And also you will need glue, that is Fevicol, and any kind of glue. Just don't use that small one that is transparent glue, use Fevicol, or you can use Mod Podge too. And you have to use some baby powder in this. You will need these materials, so make sure that it's available in your home. And now let's see how it's made. So I have a bowl of glue over here, and now I'm going to add some talcum powder to it. You can use any kind of talcum powder. And now I'm just going to mix it with the help of spoon. Make sure the consistency of this mixture is perfect, as in the video forward you will get to know what is the perfect consistency. And you can add some more talcum powder to it until you get the perfect consistency for making 3D art liners. So as you can see, I am going to add some more talcum powder to it, by which it will get a bit thicker. And as you can see, I have added some more. So let's see what its perfect consistency looks like.
It's not for me to say.
So this is the perfect consistency. Your mixture should also have this, otherwise the 3D art liners will not be perfect and will not give the result as expected. So now let's go to the next step. So I have this plastic sheet over here, so I have used this for making the cones. You can also use any kind of book cover, like in market there are different kind of book covers of plastic, like this transparent book covers are available. So you can just use it and make these cones. So for that I am just going to roll this plastic sheet into a cone shape, and after that I am just going to secure the ends with a sticky tape. So you will do the same with all the cones and make more cones, how much you will need for different colors. So as you can see, I have made some about 5 cones. So now let's add the mixture in the cone. So for that what I'm going to do is stick some sticky tape at the tip of the cone, by which my mixture will not get leaked from downside. And now I'm going to pour slowly the mixture inside the cone with help of spoon. So this will create a bit of mess, but just don't worry because the results are absolutely amazing. So now I am just going to fill it nicely until I get a proper quantity, and just don't fill a lot, otherwise this will get overflowed. And now what I am going to do is remove the extract of my mixture from my cone with help of my hands. And as you can see over here, I am doing it. I am just removing the extract mixture from my cone and putting it in the bowl again. And now what I am going to do is just fold my cone from two sides like this. I will fold from this side and the other one, and after that I will roll it over. And now I'll just stick it with some sticky tape. Make sure you will do it properly, otherwise the results will not be good. So as you can see, we have made the white color 3D art liner. So now let's make the other color. I'll show you one color, and by this you can make another too. So what I'm going to do is pour the mixture in another bowl. Make sure you're using the bowls which can be thrown out or which are not in use. And now what I'm going to do is add some red acrylic color to it, and after that I'm just going to mix. So as our mixture is white color, this will create a light pink color. So I want to make the pink color, so I added some red. and as you can see over here, I got this nice beautiful color. And now I'm going to do the same process. I filled the first cone. I'll slowly pour this mixture inside my cone, and after that seal it with some sticky tape. So let's just complete filling out this cone and let's see how it works. So as you can see, I'm about to complete and I'm just sealing it. So yeah, we have completed doing these 2 cones and I'm really satisfied. And now I'll make some more. As you can see, I have made some more cones, that is orange color, I have made green color, I have made white color, skin color and pink color. So for pink I have mixed some red and white, for orange I have mixed red and yellow, I have made green, and I have also make white and skin color. So now I have taken this cardboard just to show you the trial. As you can see, my hands are totally messed up. So let's see how it works. What you have to do is just use it as a henna cone. Like a henna cone, you will just apply a bit of pressure and after that you will get a fine border. So you have to fill the cone nicely, otherwise if you have some air bubble in your cones, this will not create a nice proper design or fine lines. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, it works really nice for me and I'm really satisfied because it's cheaper and it's made at home. So I think that's really worthy of what we did yet. And if you like the results and if you like this DIY or video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe Shruti Arts for more videos like this. I absolutely loved the results and it works really nice. And if you like this DIY, just comment down and tell me your opinion about this one. And we are going to do something nice in my next video, so make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts. After completing 1000 subscribers, I am going to draw my subscribers and give them as a giveaway. So make sure to subscribe. Down there is a red button. Make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts and thanks for watching.